My name is Manfei from Team 41. I'll be walking you through the home activity and the diet activity that I had focused on mostly in this project. We're looking at the home screen right now. It brings up a calendar with a bunch of green check marks along with a completion number. This is basically for you to check on which days you have done your workout and the total number of days that you have been active. This is also a way for us to encourage user engagement because it's satisfying to fill up your calendar with check marks, and it also brings a sense of satisfaction when you see your completion date goes up day by day. Imagine one day it becomes a 3-digit number or even 4-digit number. It's just a huge accomplishment, and it gets harder and harder to give up. It also allows us to check our workout history on the calendar. All I need to do is just to touch the day that I want to check, and it'll bring up all the details that I want to see. Today we have nothing, but saying we have completed all the workouts today, all we need to do is to hit the red button saying complete today's workout. And today has been checked and the completion number has been increased to 9. Also, there's a green banner showing up here saying well done. It's also a way to stop people keep hitting the red button again and again. This is where we want to keep track of our diet. We have our calories, our macros, and all the foods we added. I have set my calorie goal for today to 2,500, but it's totally changeable. You just have to hit here, like I want to change it to 2006 by done, and it will be saved to the database so you won't get lost when you switch your screen. And also, if I want to add something to my breakfast, I just choose breakfast, enter my food. Ideally, we want to have a database that shows most common foods so people don't have to enter their food manually, but it's out of scale of this project. So I'm just going to enter it and make up some numbers. Done. And all the macros and the calories are updated, and it won't get lost because they are all in the database. That's pretty much about it. Thank you very much.
This is Denny Smith. We're going to look into the lifting functionality and the camera as well. So we'll look at the home screen and our calendar, and we'll see that these green check marks mean you've logged your workout for the day, and we're going to go into the process of logging that workout. So we'll look at another example, and then we'll pull up a workout. So you can press start workout at the top. That's going to log your workout length, and then you can change the workouts that we have here. So let's go from barbell squat to front squat. And we can change the name of the lift. We can put in the weight that we've done, and then we can put in the reps of that weight that we've done as well. So there's one example, and we'll do another one with bench press. And this keeps the user engaged by being able to kind of dynamically change the workout in the way that they want in the moment versus locking themselves into any one program. And it also obviously allows them to save down their workout history so they can see their progress in certain workouts, or just look back and see maybe they like to program on a certain day, or maybe they want to change something. This gives them that dynamic ability to look back and see what they've done. And so after doing that, we can click end workout at the bottom. You'll see the workout length has gone back to 0. We went to 1 right there, and we're going to go back to 0 after ending. And we'll get a notification the workout was successfully added. So let's check that. We'll look at today, and there are all of our workouts. So now we'll look at the camera app. We'll open the camera, and we've taken a picture. So now we can select the check mark, and we can choose to either share or save. For sharing, we can share down to any of these Google apps. And then we can see that the photo was successfully saved if we choose to save it. So we'll open that up again, just show the functionality that we have through the camera. And so we can take one there, we can cancel, and we can take one with the grid feature. And that's it for our camera sensor and our lifting functionality. We think both will be a great part of SmartFit and allow the user to stay more engaged and keep coming back.
Hi, my name is Yufeng,
And my name is Kavya.
and we are from Team 41. We'll be talking about the social screen of our app. We're now looking at the social screen of the SmartFit app. The screen is part of the key functionality of the app, as it allows users to join groups of their peers to discuss workouts and fitness. As you can see on this screen, there are two options. Users can either create a new group or access existing groups. In this version of our app, all groups are open to all users. We'll start by showing how to create a new group. When the user clicks the Create Group button and names the group, a new group is created and stored in our database. We can check that the group is created by clicking the My Groups button. This opens another activity that has a list view of all the different groups in the app.
The next aspect of the app's social functionality is being able to chat with others within these groups. If we select a group, you can see that multiple users can send and view each other's messages, as seen in this example group here. This occurs by having the input text along with the user's email and the timestamp of the message stored as a hash map in our database. These messages are then displayed to users in a scrolling format in the group chat. As you can see, when I send a message, which I will send in the Fitness Friends chat, this message shows up on the chat and includes an identifier of my email so that every user can see which person it came from. When Yufeng sends a message on his end, the chat will be updated in real time, and his message is also identifiable as coming from a different user. If we look in different groups, we can see that within each group, there's a distinct set of messages. So each chat's messages are only accessible by looking in that specific chat. This way, users can have multiple different conversations with different groups of people on the app. And that is how the social component of our SmartFit app works.